Hello, this video is for you. You. Every day you're asking yourself how to say these words on the board. Jodi am vini pou m'vine de konnen comment pou di mot sa yo. Parce que c'est mot qui important et ou ta aimé kon comment pou di yo et bien prononcer yo. Many times you're asking yourself how to pronounce some of them. En pile fois demander comment pour prononcer un pile là-dedans. Not only having them today, but you're going to have the clear pronunciation of how to pronounce them correctly. Ça ou ka fait konya la. Partager vidéo avec yon zami, like vidéo konya, commencez, commentez pour dire présent et la vidéo a fini, dis-moi sous tes mes vocabulaire yo, because it's the part 1. If you'd like to have the second part, say that in the video. Sous ta get deuxième partie vidéo dis ça. Remember, my name is Daniot Aneus. I love you so much. Stay tuned. I'm coming back. I'm back to explain you how to pronounce these vocabulary words with me today. Because you finished to share the video, you show us your gratitude, and we like that. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Yes! The number 1 is... Do you know this action? Don't you know how to say? Kon action sa, mais ou pa kon KIJAN pou dire en anglais. You are watching this video, you're lucky. Ou même kap gade video sa, ou chanceux. Because you're gonna learn how to say this word. This word is yarn. Can you pronounce it to me? Yarn. 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 Yarn means a yarn. A yarn. You yawn when you are tired and when you are hungry. People yawn when they are tired or when they are hungry. Moun fè aksyon sa. Yawn. Le yo gangou ou du moins le yo fatigué. And Haiti, they think all the time when you yawn, it's because you are hungry. No, not only this. Yawn means baye. Mwen baye, I yawn. Mwen fatigué, I'm tired, I yawn. I yawn because I'm tired. I yawn because my belly is empty. Don't swallow me. Papa lim no? Don't swallow me. I yawn. Yes. Example, people yawn. Oh, I make a mistake here. It's not R, it's W-N. W-N. People yawn very often when they are hungry or tired. People yawn very often when they are hungry or tired. Kwa sa vle di, moun yo baye très souvent le yo gangou ou bien le yo fatigué. Not only when you're hungry, you might be tired also. Ou kapab fatigué too. Okay, the second one is it's him. It's him. You sneeze. It's him. It's him. Bless the Lord. Okay. Bless the Lord. Some people say bless the Lord. Okay. In Haiti, when you it's him, they say oula toujou. Oula toujou. Okay, lo sneeze, moun yo di oula toujou. But for some country, they say bless the Lord. It's him. You sneeze. Repeat after me. Sneeze. 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 When you sneeze, ou estène. Ou bien ou estène. En français, ou éternuer. Quel que soit, j'en t'ai capable de dire en créole là, mais ça va faire. It's him. You sneeze when you are sick. For example, you can have a flu. Okay, if you have a flu, you can sneeze. For example, don't sneeze on people's face, especially at the coronavirus moment, spécialement dans période corona, don't sneeze on people's face. Pas Estène dans figimoun. Don't sneeze. Sneeze on a cough. Sneeze on a handcuff. Sneeze on a piece of cloth. Estène dans morceau toile, etc. Now, you cry. You cry like a big baby. You cry. Not baby who cries. C'est pas seulement bébé qui crie. A doll cry also. A doll cries. Adulte yo crier tout. Okay. Cry. You cry. You cry. I'm crying. Why are you crying? I'm crying because I'm hungry. You crying because you're hungry? You have to eat. Supposé manger. Don't cry. Okay, don't cry. I'm gonna give you food to eat. Don't cry. I'm crying because I don't see videos anymore. No, don't cry. We're gonna give you more videos. Don't cry. We're gonna give you more videos now. Don't cry. Cry, to cry is to cry. You cry. C'est crier. You cry. Babies cry. Babies cry a lot when they need milk. Bébé crie en pile, leur besoin lait. Okay. Do you often cry for something or do you often cry? Est-ce que vous souvent criez? You cry. Okay, you know, there are some people when they cry, even they cry for a long time, you never see a drop of water in their eyes. Même la crier pendant pile temps, ou pas jamais mon goutte de l'eau dans le moun sa. Moun sa, je cherche. I'm sorry. Je cherche. They cry. Okay. But the second one is weep. It's almost the same thing, but they are not the same. When you weep, you can see water falls down from your eyes. Ou ka wè l'eau ap soti nan jè ou. Là, you weep. To weep signifie crier. But when you cry, ou fait bruit. I listen to the nose. But you can weep without saying anything. Ou capable ap crier là, ap weep, m'batan ou fait plus bruit, ou ap free. Et puis la rivière, you weep. Okay. Ça c'est weep, ça c'est cry. Somebody can cry. Amwe! Amwe! Yes, cheat blow as it nangel. You're crying, but you're not reaping. Reap and cry. Reap. Now, she wept silently home for her boyfriend. She wept silently home for her boyfriend. Mademoiselle sa tap crié en silence la kali parce qu'elle pas vle quitter parent connaît c'est pour ti bout la crier. Ah, ça arrive déjà oui. Ah, moi, Suzanne, ça arrive déjà. On va crier, on va lever par rapport à maman, on connaît que c'est pour petit ménage là, on fait jaloux, on va crier. Ça arrive nous déjà, moi nous. Même quand regarde vidéo. Number 5 is, you hear this sound? Vous entendez son ça déjà? Son poète. Yes. It's a human body. Ça n'a corps humain, moun baka. Okay, well, on met the queen, king, ou baka fart. What I say? I say fart. When you fart, you. Par contre, qui sont les gars, qui sont pas les gars, but you fart. Fart ou péter. You fart. Don't do that anymore. Pas faire ça encore, non? Aye, de vous faire ma briti ou dans classe là, de vous faire ça encore ma briti ou dans classe là. Pas faire ça encore, attendez, Gérard. Fart. Say sorry when you undeliberately fart on somebody or on someone or in public. Say sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Parce que gen moun ki pa ka kembe ça. Ou bon? Say excuse me, I'm going to what? Excuse me, teacher Daniel. I'm going to fart. I'm going to fart excusez-moi, bral pété. Excusez-moi, moins pété. But, ou dit son tijan, ou dit bral fait gaz. Where is your car? Kote machine bral fait gaz. No. Moi bral fait pété, bral fait vent. Yes. I'm going to fart. Don't fart in public. Don't fart on somebody. Okay, good. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, I can't anymore. I'm tired. Oh, my pillow. Oh, I'm going to sleep on my pillow because I'm tired. Oh, I was snoring. To snore. To snore means Wonfle. Hey, you snore a lot. I can't accept you in my home. You snore too much. Get out of my home. Snore. Snore. What I say? I say snore. I snore when I was sleeping. It's my pillow. It's pillow. I was snoring. Mon tap Wonfle. Do you snore at night? Est-ce que Wonfle le soir? I remember somebody, a neighbor I had. He snores a lot. I remember one day he snored. I couldn't sleep. He breaks the town. Snore. Wonfle. For example, my neighbor makes me afraid. He snores like a pig. Yo supposé boucaner patate metan batet ou. Snore. Boucaner patate by cochon lebi. Non, ba bon remède. No, I'm not a doctor. Okay. My neighbor makes me afraid. He snores like a pig. Voisin nan fèm pe. Li Wonfle tan couillon. Tan couillon cochon. I'm sorry, neighbor. I'm sorry if I say that, neighbor. Désolé, voisin, si me dit ça. But you snore a lot. Wonfle en pile. Voisin en fèm. What's wrong with you, Daniel? I'm angry. Why you are angry? Because my neighbor snores a lot. Parce que voisin nan li Wonfle en pile. I'm angry. Don't be afraid. This is me. I'm teaching you. Don't be afraid of me. Angry. There are some people when they are angry, you have to run away quickly. Ye kek moun le yo. Le moun sa fâché ou dwe déplacer rapide. Angry. Angry. Don't confuse it with hungry. Hungry. When you are hungry, you yawn. Oh, you yawn. But when you are angry, you're angry because they don't give you money to go out. They don't give you money to go out to the prom. Yo pa bon l'argent pour aller dans bal là. You angry. Angry. Don't be angry with me. Pas fâché avec. Be calm. Slow down. Don't be angry with me. Fâché. Don't be angry on elder people. Hey, pas fâché sou grand moun. Fréquent. Don't be angry on elder people. Don't be angry on elderly people. Don't be angry on elderly people. Don't be angry on elderly people. Pas fâché sou grand moun. Hey, don't be angry on elderly people. Yes. Ay, voisin. Hey, what's wrong? I have poo. I ate something that makes me bad. Demande travail qui fait pas. Oh my gosh. Poo. You are going to poo. You are going to poop, or to make poop, or you're going to poo. On peut faire poo poo. Poo. You can say poo. You can say poop. You can say defecate. Or you can say number 2. Vous connaissez number, numéro. Number 1, number 2. Melody number 2. I'm going to make number 2. I'm going to make number 1, 2. 2. I'm going to make number 2. Able di m'bral faire poo poo. Excuse me. I'm going to poo. Excuse me, teacher. Excuse me. Excuse me, teacher. I'm going to poo. I'm going to make number 2, teacher. Yes. Poop. Poo. Great. Now, if you make number 2, you're supposed to make number 1. Number 1 and number 2. You finish to make number 2. While making number 2, you make number 1. Number 1 is P. To make P. You make P. I'm making P. If you don't want to say I'm making P, you can say we. To make we. Or you can put another we, a second we. To make we. Or you can say to piss. P, we, piss. Ou ap di fè pipi. Ou kapap di pi, we, or we, or piss. You can say wet. Do you wet? You can say that to your child, to your baby. Do you wet? Ou mouye ou fè pipi? Ça veut dire bébé a mouillé the diaper. Bébé a mouillé diaper. J'en dis ya. Diaper. Bébé a wet. Example. Can I go to pee? Excuse me, mom. Can I go to pee? Yes, you can go to pee. Yeah, I'm going to the restroom because I have to make pee. Yeah, I'm going to do wee. Mon pral fè pipi. To do wee. Yes, that means I'm going to make number 1. Pee. Number 1, I'm going to make number 1. Poo, I'm going to make number 2. Yes, you make both, number 1 and number 2. And you fart? Oh my gosh, you fart on me. Oh. That's... Wet. Going to make poo. Chord. Thank you for watching the video. If you laugh a lot, say that in the comment below. Souri en pile, so apren en pile, say that below. I love you so much. Do not forget to share the video and go to Facebook to like my page, Teacher Daniot Aneus. Probably abonné, mes amis, abonné. Come on. Don't make me angry. Don't fais me fâcher. Okay, do you like to speak English? Yes, but share the video. Appreciate. Thank you for watching. So long.